As cities expand, more and more of the valuable land that grew the veggies for early settlers is lost under streets and houses. And this reduced available arable soil is further impacted by apartment living, where most have no soil or sunlight to grow produce. And this is where innovative thinking really comes to the fore. You see, you've got to ask yourself the question, why were we not growing so much hydroponic stuff at home previously? Most of our food in the supermarket that's fresh and green is coming from hydroponic sources. Well, one of the reasons, of course, is that most of the hydroponic units that were available are actually quite commercial in their look. And that means that they're not very attractive inside the house. So that was until these two units came along, and they've been an absolute game changer. The Hydrogarden Classic Plus and the Hydrogarden Elite provide simple and incredibly effective ways to grow your own food indoors. No soil, no need to find suitable window ledge lighting, a self-contained unit that is perfect for the beginner or the time poor. Now, there's two primary differences with these units. The first one being the tray. You can see it's totally different to this one. It's got expanded clay in there, and it means you can grow 2 or 3 plants in here, ideally small, compact, bushy kind of plants where you're harvesting foliage all the time. This one over here, very different again. Now, for a start, the telescopic light is 8 watts. It's 2 watts brighter than this one here. It's also extending out to 47 centimetres, which means you can grow quite large plants in these individual cell units that actually have the potting mix in them. They both come with seeds, the Elite with an added packet of parsley. The setup is intuitive for us blokes. You simply just add water to the base tray. This is then wicked up to the roots of the plants, absorbed into the growing medium through a capillary action. It comes with fertilizer, which you add regularly to sustain strong, healthy growth. So the difference between the two is really quite unique. The Elite actually has this special pod soil in it. Now, it's called HYDROsoil technology. It's got a 6-month supply of fertilizer in it. This one you will have to fertilise on a regular basis. This one, you basically plant the seeds and forget. You just sprinkle a couple in. I only need probably 2 or 3. They'll take off and grow like crazy. The systems are standalone units and powered, so they can sit in the kitchen as if they were just another appliance. Just one that constantly delivers fresh, healthy food. If you want to get your hands on them, pop into your local Bunnings store or check out this website.